how to freeze a video in CapCut Mobile. But before we get into the video, I'd like you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Tap on New Project, select the video, import it into your CapCut Mobile. Once the video is on your timeline, go to where you want your freeze frame to start from. Once you are there, go to the panel below your timeline and tap on Edit. Tap on Split. Now go to where you want your freeze frame to stop. Once you are there, tap on the split icon again. Go back and select the part of your video that you want to do the freeze frame on. It will have been isolated. Once you have it selected, go to the panel below your timeline and look for freeze. Tap on the freeze icon and CapCut will automatically freeze that particular place that you have isolated in your video. So let's go and play it and see what has been done. And that is how to freeze your video in CapCut Mobile.